Before going to start, first I want to say you all that remember one. A flowering plant never competes. The flowering plant grows next to it. It just blooms. Starting with this, today I, Suhana, along with my group members, yes, today I am thrilled to share you all a botanical garden, a botanical marvel known as Allamanda branchita, also known as purple allamanda. Have you ever thought about plants? Yes, we all love to see nature around us. Industries and all, we don't love to see this, all this. Just live in nature once and you will live a long life. These plants, this Allamanda branchita, this can be grown through the stem, root, branch. This every part can be grown into an individual plant. Here it is birds. As it plants has never, now it has not grown, it is birds and it will bloom. Its characteristics is it's mainly found in the South America. And it is mainly region situated in the Amazon rainforest. Have you ever wondered how it will look like? Its trumpet-like shape gives an amazing, eye-catching look to it. Starting with the greenery, it will be fold your house with decorating. It will make your garden look more beautiful. Not only this, it is used as means. So for explain this, I would rather tell my next member to shift to my next member to say the rest of it. Thank you.
Good morning. The history of Allamanda has been dated back to thousands of years ago to its native region of South America. Native regions of South America. It has been used for its beauty and fragrance. For its beauty and fragrance, and may be used for different cultural and traditional customs. In the modern world, it is more prominent for its various uses. There are 400 types of species of Allamanda branchita. It has the most prominent one is the golden yellow branchita, the capita, and the bushy and Allamanda scotta, which provide the gardeners for different kinds of growth habit and fragrance. Now I hand over the next process to it.
Allamanda branchita is an ornamental and medicinal plant which has a multitude of uses. It impacts our life and environment in various ways. Let us explore some of its key roles. Allamanda branchita or purple allamanda is a favorite choice of all gardeners and landscapers as its vibrant flower and foliage enhance outdoor space. In many cultures, it is used as a medicine to treat a variety of diseases related to kidney and lungs. Allamanda branchita is having Allamanda branchita has an captivating smell which attracts many pollinators such as bees and butterflies, contributing to the biodiversity of the area it inhabits. Thank you. I will now hand over the rest to Ranjit.
Conservations of Allamanda branchita. Allamanda branchita is correctly known
Alavanda planttrees belongs to the family of coffee known as Rubiaceae family. While the blue alavanda does not produce any coffee beans, it has a botanical connection with the world's most beloved fragrance. In conclusion, alavanda planttrees with its dazzling purple blooms and tropical vegetation has helped us to remind the wonders that the nature has bestowed upon us. As we are admiring its beauty, so now let us now try to conserve this plant and all other plants for the other generations' enjoyment. Thank you for joining the Alavanda plant. It is wonderful exploration.
So, as the conclusion has happened, before to this, I want to say that this is a purple vivid color shade. So I request to sister, please sister, we request to please plant it in your garden, and it will surely, I guarantee you that it will give a very beautiful effect to your garden. Thank you so much sister for giving us this opportunity. Thank you sister.
As you all know that there are different types of plants in this world. Today, our group Spark the Innovators are here to present one flowering plant. Before that, I will like to introduce myself and my team members. Myself, I am the leader of Spark the Innovators. My team members are Sarah Pendleton, assistant, and Pragati Mrs. Soreng, Ranjit Kamra, and Devasthi Pradhan are two members. So today, our group Spark the Innovators here to present a Ashoka tree. Now I would like to hand over to Saira to know about Ashoka plant.
A very warm morning to one and all. As we all know that there are varieties of plant in the world. It provides a lot of things to us. Most importantly, it provides oxygen for breathing. This can be classified based on the nature of the stem, size, lifespan, the presence of flowers, and the way they obtain the food. Based on the nature of the stem and size, plants can be classified as herb, shrub, climbers, and creepers. Based on the lifespan, plants can be classified as trees. Based on the presence of flowers, these plants can be classified as flowering plant and non-flowering plant. And at last, based on the way plants obtain the food, this can be classified as autotrophic plants and heterotrophic plant. So today we will know about one flowering plant, the Ashoka plant. Ashoka plant, which is scientifically known as Sasha Ashoka. It is a plant belonging to the Dentatroi subfamily of legume family. It is the state flower of India. It is the state flower of Indian state of Odisha. It is prized for its beautiful foliage and fragrant. It is found in the central areas of Deccan Plateau and the middle section of Western Ghat. This tree is considered as spread out throughout the Indian subcontinent and adjacent areas, especially in India, Sri Lanka and Nepal. This tree is associated with most of the folklorical, religious and literary association. As we all can see, the flowers of Ashoka plant is bright orange yellow, which signifies for love, prosperity, peace, fertility and new beginnings. For further information, now I would like to hand over to Ranjit to know more about Ashoka plant.
A very pleasant morning to one and all present over here. As you know, I am going to explain you the parts of the Ashoka plant. First comes its leaf. Its leaves are palpinate, alternate and copper red when young, and when gets matured, it converted into green with 20 to 60 centimeter long. And then comes its flower. Flowers are bright orange yellow in color. Comes in heavy lush with when gets wilted turns into red. Then comes its fruit, which when we can see it when it grows taller. Its leaves are legumes that get converted into smooth leathery and flat tapered with 6 to 8 seeds at its both end, with 10 to 20 centimeter long and 5 centimeter in width. Now its seeds are commonly known as polyarthine longifolia. its seeds can be obtained from the trees when trees can be obtained from the trees in monsoon. Now I will hand over to Devasis for the further uses of the plant. Thank you.
A very warm morning to one and all present over here. So I will tell about its uses. So Ashoka plant is a very beautiful plant to see, but it has very much advantages in our daily life because we use in our treatments of our body like cancer, bacteria, heart diseases and others. So I would like to tell about its three main parts, that are cancer, heart diseases and diabetes. So first of all, cancer. So first of all, cancer. It is in a study of Cleveland et al. In 2012, it shows that the plant of Ashoka plant trees are used to reduce of body cancer, skin cancers, and etc. It is a very oxidative. It is a very oxidative materials for our lips, and also made use of it. In 2013, forms of 2013, a study of Swami's et al. It shows that bioactive materials that use for
Flowering plant. Ashoka plant signifies the word non-green. Non-green means non-sadness. In Ashoka plant, we can see there are very different parts of flower. The flower is not only about orange, but it also sees the pink or yellow also. But the sad thing is, now Ashoka plant is at the verge of ending. Now Ashoka plants do not get at appropriate temperature, climates, and the most caring. Ashoka plants need caring the most. We have to stand together to conserve the Ashoka plants. Ashoka plant is not only state plant of Odisha, but also a major source of medical plants. We have to stand together to protect Ashoka plant. It is now considered as endangered plant in our country. We have to stand for it and to protect it. Thank you all.
At last, we want to say that plant more trees make the environment pollution free. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present over here. I am Chetan Agarwal and this is my team. My team includes Chirag Agarwala, Ashish Sena, Sidhu Kumari and Sitar Behra. A rose is used widely all over the world due to its beauty and nature. People use the rose to show their love and concern toward each other. Do you know there are 150 species of rose in the world? From that 150 species, our team has selected red rose for the presentation. Do you know the deep colored red rose is known as for regret and sorrow, whereas normal red rose is known as for happiness, love, care and concern. However, we are going to look on the uses and benefits of red rose, religious belief and a short story on red rose. Now I would like to call Chirag Agarwal to continue the presentation by saying on the uses and benefits of the red rose.
Red rose has many benefits and uses of its own. Known as the queen of flowers, red rose is used widely for many ornamental purpose and medicinal purpose. Nowadays, women are preferring to wear floral ornaments and they are using rose flower mostly due to its gracious look. The tea made from rose petals, when drunk, can strengthen your digestive process. It is good for cold and cough as it is rich in vitamin C. It is a better way to lose weight and stay hydrated. Rose petals acts as a natural aid to treat piles, which is a most common problem in old age. In the form of rose water, it has anti-inflammatory properties that helps to reduce the redness of irritated skin, balance out oiled skin, and softens and tones the skin. It acts as a natural cleanser for your face and makes you look more younger naturally. The red rose has many antibacterial properties that helps to reduce the dryness of acne. Now, I would like to call Sheetal to continue the presentation and tell us about the religious belief of red rose.
Thank you, Chirag, for inviting me. Roses have different meaning in different cultures according to their color. Red rose represents spiritual joy in Hinduism and Buddhism. But in Muslim point of view, it symbolizes human soul. So smelling the scent of rose is often seen as a spiritual joy. In the Christian faith, it has a prominent symbolism. It all represents shedding Christ's blood and reference to charity of Virgin Mary. It is also said that it is offered to all the devtas and demigods in Hinduism. It symbolizes prosperity, happiness, love, and passion, due to which it is widely used in weddings, festivals, and other occasions. Now I would like to call Situ for continuing the presentation.
Thank you for inviting me. Good morning when present here. I want to say a short story about red rose. Red rose, one day upon a spring in the forest. The red rose flowers of disappointing clouds, beautiful and look. The red rose has its crowds and benefits and all. The flowers understanding and discourage it. It is beneficial to understand and give tips flower.
It is time for the conclusion. Red rose is the one of the most widely cultural flower in the world. Throughout the flower red rose is very beautiful flower. That means the red rose is the various of the depending species in the many red rose. The rose are the using in the functions and birthday parties that's like red rose, and red rose that like powerful meaning of communications without need for a words. Red rose is the token of the plants. Thank you.
Thank you for paying attention towards our presentation. We hope that you like our presentation, and thank you Sister Anjana for guiding us and helping us to complete the presentation.
Myself, Mr. As the leader of the school, my team members are Adds Kamra, Ranjit, Adds Kamra, and Adds. Our group name is Nature Lovers. Today we are going to do presentation on the discuss and medicineplants. Before starting our presentation, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever nurtured a plant? Okay, I will say with my perspective. I have grown several types of plants, but my favorite plants are tulsi and hibiscus. Plants are also essential in human existence as land, air, and water. Without plants, our day-to-day life becomes impossible. So now I would like to give further information about hibiscus.
Good morning. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a flowering plant that belongs to Malpati family, also known as Mallow family. Leaves are showy and large. The genus grows into shrubs, herbs, and small trees. There are commonly so many plants which gives us medicines, foods, etc. Hibiscus is also known as Hibiscus subvirifa. It is native to India and Malaysia. Hibiscus subvirifa is the commonly cultivated plant. The stems are red and the yellow-white flower turn into pink and red. Flowers are usually grown in single but later it found in clusters. Flowers are in truncate shape that are ranged in yellow, orange, purple, red, pink, etc. The flowers of hibiscus are generally in acidic because it contains natural acid like phosphorus, iron, calcium, etc. The flowers are contain 5 or more petals. The leaf margin are lobed and toothed. The leaves, freshly leaves contain 2 to 3% of the proteins, and the leaves are smooth and they are covered with trichomes. The genus thrives in warm and tropical and subtropical regions. This flower has also so many examples like hibiscus canopsinus, hibiscus gossinus, hibiscus subtrifa, etc. They usually follow the annual life cycle. Now I want to call Adyasha for further information about hibiscus.
As you have listened from Ancha the characteristics of hibiscus, now I am going to tell the uses and origin of hibiscus. The true meaning of life is to plant trees. Hibiscus is a flowering plant which we are using for centuries for medicinal and decorative purposes. It is used to make teas, extracts and supplements. In traditional medicines, hibiscus preparation is used to treat alignments of livers and high blood pressure. It is also used to treat loss of appetite, nervous and heart diseases. It is also used to treat stomach irritation, fluid retention and other diseases. Generally, it is found in tropical and subtropical regions like China, Thailand, Nigeria, Sweden, Mexico, etc. Its leaves, trees, stems, flowers all are used for culinary, cosmetics and medicinal preparations. The exact origin of hibiscus is unknown to us, but it is estimated by scientists that it is probably grown in the China, Japan and Pacific islands for the first time. It is also used in food and beverages for flavoring. It is used for improving the odor, flavor and appearance of the tea mixtures. Lastly, every fortnight the hibiscus flower blooms big, tender and bright. As all flowers will, it also wilts. But when it blooms, it spreads its beauty and evergreen glory. Whoever sees hibiscus is energetic, is filled with energy. So it teaches the life lesson that whether the life is short, live it to the fullest. Make your personality so vibrant that whenever a person sees you, should definitely have a smile on their face. Thank you. Good morning everybody. Today I want to share a remarkable story of Tulsi plant, which is also known as holy basil. It is a source of motivation and inspiration. This is not just an herb, it is a symbol of resilience, purity and spiritual significance. This humble plant, revered in many cultures, it teaches us many valuable life lessons. First and foremost, the plant is resilient. It can thrive in adverse conditions, symbolizing the strength to endure challenges and grow in the face of adversities. From the plant, we should always remember to be resilient and continuous growth and emerging stronger. Secondly, the plant also symbolizes purity. Its leaves are used in medicines and rituals because of its medicinal properties. Like the plant spread its pure essence in the environment, we should always strive for purity in our lives. The spiritual significance is profound. It is believed that the plant is the manifestation of Goddess Lakshmi. Keeping the plant in one's home can bring abundance peace. It also helps to cultivate spiritual aspect in our lives, highlighting our purpose and meaning in our action. The plant also signifies growth. Like the plant grow from a small plant and completely develop into a robust plant, we should always continue our growth and development, extending our horizon and emerging stronger. At last, I want to say that the plant is a powerful symbol of resilience, purity, spiritual significance and growth. It always keeps motivating us to be resilient in the face of adversities, purity in our actions, spiritual significance in our thoughts and continuous growth.
Like the plant is small but carry a great meaning in itself, we should also always search for higher significance in our life from its example. Thank you.
It was a great and pleasure to know so many things about trees and trees. So now I have some questions for you. So why is the color of the trees is red? Do you know? Okay. It is because due to the presence of a pigment known as anthocyanin in hibiscus. And I have more questions for you. So why is hibiscus also known as China rose? Anyone of you know? Okay. Hibiscus rosa sinensis was first described in 1753 by Carl Linnaeus in his book Species Plantum. The term rosa sinensis is a literal meaning of the rose of China. Also, it is not closely related to the roses and it is not from China. And my final question is, why people plant tulsi at their homes? Anyone of you know? Okay. As per the tips of the Vastu, the tulsi at our homes protects us from bad diseases and harmful energy. It is a symbol of purity and sacredness. As per the Vastu of the tulsi, it explains that the tulsi at our home symbolizes the health and wealth. As you can see, in many Hindu homes, there is an auspicious plant known as tulsi.
Our presentation with our conclusion. Plants are nature's gift. They are beneficial in many ways. Without plants, the life is no more existence on this planet Earth. There are 2 to 4 lakh of identified species plants, but now the still list is continuing.
As plants have provided us everything we need, we should love our nature and support it to grow. We know that plants have provided us food to eat, shelter to live, and a peaceful atmosphere to spend our life happily. All organisms depend on plants for their living. So now, we want to take one oath to restore our love towards our plants. So I would like to request our team members to come front to take the oath.
We pledge to raise awareness of various benefits of wetlands of humanity by the various ecosystems. Hence, they need to protect and restore them. We promise that we will take care of plants and animals in and around wetlands. Never to litter, always to serve. Thank you.
I am Gaurav.
I am Ranjitkumar.
Extend to a warm welcome. So, department delighted to joining us presently. This special flight originating from Southeast Asia, carries its hotel, magic and charm.
Please join us as we delve into its rich tapestry of uses, spanning the real themes of the culinary delight, health benefit, and the deep-rooted tradition.
Through our presentation, we will uncover the secrets and significance of this butterfly pea plant, also known as Operazica. We will also delve into why this plant matters to so many people around the world.
The butterfly pea plant isn't a botanical wonder. It is a symbol of nature's beauty and impact on the human soul.
So without any further delay, we invite you to join on this voyage of discovery as we introduce you to this magnificent world of butterfly pea plant. Now I would further like to call Kritika Sahu to continue the presentation.
Botanical characteristics. The butterfly pea plant boasts a remarkable set of botanical characteristics that set it apart in the plant kingdom. It thrives in a tropical and subtropical climate with a vibrant blue or purple blossoms that that attract the pollinators. Its slender veins and pinnate leaves create an elegant appearance in the garden and natural settings. Beyond its botanical beauty, plant have played a pivotal role in the cultures where it grew from India to Southeast Asia. Thank you. Now I requested to call Ranjitkumar to continue the project.
Thank you, Jessica, for calling. Culinary uses and medicinal and health benefits. The butterfly pea plant, also known as Aprajita, isn't just visually stunning, it also a star in culinary world. Its flowers are incorporated ingredients in various traditional dishes. The butterfly tea, also a herbal tea, also known as blue tea, is a popular beverage. For its earthy flavor and enchanting color-changing properties. Beyond its culinary allure, the butterfly pea plant has a rich history in traditional medicine. It is believed to possess a wide array for health benefits thanks to its antioxidants and bioactive compounds. In various cultures, plants are regarded as a natural remedy for ailments with its potential to alleviate stress and improve overall well-being. Now I would like to call Jignusha for further details.
Butterfly pea plant signifies in many regions. It is woven into the fabric of traditional ritual and celebration. In Thailand, it is used as an instance and it is seen a symbol of good luck, which is frequently used in wedding and festival occasions. These brilliant petals are used to make garlands and many decorative items, which seems a symbol of peace and spirituality, which is followed around all over the world. In India, mainly in the south state of this plant is grown mostly. Thank you.
At last, I would like to call all the team members in this program a slogan.
If you plant a tree, you plant a life. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. Thank you.
A plant which has medicinal, religious as well as Ayurvedic uses. Allow me to introduce my team members, the conquerors who have been diligently working on the secrets of Ashoka plant. First, we have Tanmay, who has inbuilt curiosity on the sacred quality of Ashoka plant. He is the team assistant of our group. Then we have Trupti, who is a creative girl. She has made us understand how people in ancient period used to express themselves through art and word. Then we have Soreng, because she has a deep knowledge on the medicinal qualities of Ashoka plant. She is the team leader of our group. Then we have Tejas, who has given us fascinating facts and qualities of Ashoka plant. Then last but not the least, I am Yadeshini Nayak, who has given the overview. Now I would like to represent to you the fascinating worlds of Ashoka plant. It is scientifically called as Sarasa Ashoka. This magnificent tree has captivated people for centuries. It is culturally, historically, medicinally significant in originated from Indian subcontinent. Now I would like to call Tanmay. He will explain the sacred qualities of Ashoka plant.
In the epic Ramayana, it is believed that the wife of Lord Rama, Sita, was captured by demon king Ravan in the Ashok Vatika of Lanka. It is said that the Ashoka tree has provided comfort to Sita. It is also mentioned in Buddhist legends. It is said that the Queen Maya, the mother of Siddhartha Gautam, has gave him birth by holding the branch onto the branch of Ashoka tree, which holding the this remarks that the birth of Prince Siddharth Gautam and now I would like to call Trupti for further info.
Think of Ashoka plant as a symbol that carries special meanings in different cultures, similar to how some colors or cultures have specific meanings. Here's how it's culturally significant. Artists and writers often use Ashoka plant as a motif in their work to convey emotions such as happiness or the triumph of good over evil. In some cultures, parts of Ashoka plant often used in traditional medicines. Now I would like to call Swamika for the medicinal benefits. Explain about it.
Now I am going to say about the medicinal benefits of the Ashoka plant. The Ashoka plant is not just only pretty, but it also offers variable medicinal qualities. The traditional Ayurvedic medicine has long recognized the therapeutic potential of various parts of Ashoka plant. The barks, the flowers, and the seeds are used to make remedies in a wide range of ailments, including menstrual disorder, digestive issue, skin problems, stomach ulcers, and diabetes. Not only Ayurveda, but the scientific studies has also supported the traditional claim by highlighting the anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial qualities of the plant. The Ashoka plant continues to be the most valuable plant in the field of natural medicine. Now, I would like to call Tejas for the conclusion part.
Ashoka tree is truly a remarkable species, which are numerous medical, historical, and cultural significance. Its presence is cherished for centuries, symbolizing love, beauty, and fertility in various mythologies and religious texts. Its botanical features include its sudden leaves and vibrant flowers, which make it a striking attraction to any landscape. It is not just a beautiful plant, it is a symbol of our rich cultural heritage, a source of medical remedies, and an essential contributor to the ecosystem. Ashoka plant has many medical benefits. Its bark, leaves, and flowers are used in Ayurveda for the treatment of many health issues such as diabetes, menstrual disorder, and digestive issues. We should not forget the importance of Ashoka plant. Let us together cherish it and protect it for our next generations so that they are also able to get its benefit. Now I would like to call everyone. Now, I would like to thank all of you for listening to us attentively, and I hope you have gained some knowledge about Ashoka plant from our presentation. Lastly, I would like to thank Sister Anjana who has given us this golden opportunity to speak in front of you. Thank you.
Finally, I take this chance to thank each group members and the leaders. You have worked very hard to present this work. The way you performed it was excellent, and it was very innovative, creative, and there was a lot of the collective unity. Everything was noticed. When I started telling you, I never expected this to form this way. But then I really congratulate all of you. I am not comparing. There are some of the children who done very well, some of who not do, but still what I say, you performed very well. Thank you so much. Put your hands together.